wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best folding beds. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10, the malouf structures comes with a luxurious gel-based memory foam that might cause your guests to extend their stay. The mattress has a soft velour-style cover and it rests on a spring-suspended deck for additional support. It's equipped with locking casters and a solid steel frame. However, some initial assembly is required. At number 9, for the littlest housed guest, the affordably priced Regalo My-Cot Portable Toddler is a first-rate option. It packs down small enough to take along with you whether you're traveling by car or air, and it stows away without difficulty in any closet. It comes with a carrying bag and is perfect for sleepovers, but it doesn't lock in the open position. Coming in at number 8 on our list. Although the Ezvid rollaway is on the expensive side, it's designed to offer a traditional box spring feel rather than a more typical cot experience. This makes it a strong choice for long-term use or for those who thrash around in the night. It's extra long to accommodate tall users and comes with smooth swiveling wheels. However, it doesn't include a cover. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for folding beds or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, you or your guests will go from daytime sitting to nighttime slumber easily with the D&D Futon Furniture Sleeper Chair, which unfolds to a full 70 inches long. It's a nice neutral grey, so it should fit into the decor of most rooms. This one works well for dorms and weighs around 20 pounds, but the backrest isn't terribly high. Moving up our list to number 6, the Lucid Rollaway Guest has plenty of benefits, from a bamboo cover that can aid in regulating temperature during sleep to an admirable 25-year warranty. When unfolded, the frame is 12 inches high and stays put with locking wheels. It's made with CertiPure US certified memory foam and is stable and wobble-free. However, some units ship missing hardware. Halfway up our list at number 5. Despite its smallish size, the Coleman comfortsmart cot has a strong enough frame to support sleepers weighing up to 275 pounds. When folded, it fits inside the majority of car trunks to take with you to a drive-in camping site. It features a spring core suspension and a flat mattress cover, but it won't hold users over 5'7". At number 4, the clamshell folding design of the Milliard Premium Luxurious locks shut with a secure adjustable trident buckle, so you don't have to worry about it popping open as you take it out of storage or move it from one room to the next. It comes with a memory foam mattress and offers an easy tool-free assembly. However, the springs could be sturdier. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, the Zinus Memory Foam Resort has a high-density 5-inch mattress with a top layer of memory foam for superior comfort. It sits on a durable folding structure designed to replicate the shape and support of a genuine box spring. It includes a steel frame with matching fabric, a strap and hook closure, and a biofoam that resists odors. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for folding beds or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, the Soundasleep Dream Series Air can accommodate up to 500 pounds without sagging, thanks to 40 internal air cores that lend it firmness. And if your guests are arriving quickly, it's no trouble, since this model can be inflated in under 4 minutes. It's perfect for glamping and features a one-click interior pump and a flocked and waterproof top. And coming in at number 1 on our list, the Zinus Weekender Elite comes with a 2-part mattress made of 3 inches of pressure-relieving comfort foam topped with an inch of soft fiber padding. A central crossbar provides support at the middle of the sleeping surface. It includes a lightweight but strong steel frame, a 1-year limited warranty, and a storage bag. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for folding beds or simply click beneath this video.